আজি ল্যাঙ্গুৱেজ টু ইংলিছৰ বিষয়ে আলোচনা কৰিম। সো ভিডিঅ'টো স্কিপ নকৰাকৈ প্ৰথমৰ পৰা শেষলৈ মনোযোগেৰে চাব। সো আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। প্ৰথম প্ৰশ্ন, which among the following is a disadvantage of using deductive method of teaching grammar? So A, it does not involve the use of audiovisual aids. B, it does not help in comparing ideas in grammar of different languages. C, it does not involve active participation of students. It is teacher-centric. So, disadvantage of using deductive method. So A, it does not involve the use of audiovisual aids. So it's a disadvantage of deductive method. Another C, it does not involve active participation of students. This also a disadvantage of deductive method. And D, it is teacher centric. It's also a disadvantage of deductive method. So A, C and D, these are the disadvantages of using deductive method of teaching grammar. So here C is the correct answer. A, C and D. Next, correctly identify the stages of deductive inductive method. The teacher explains the rules. The teacher presents example before the student and explain them. C, the teacher provides new examples and asks the student to verify the rules. Number 4, the teacher encourages the student to draw conclusions. As the stages of deductive method, correctly identify stages of deductive method, inductive method. So deductive, inductive method. So deductive. In deductive method, the teacher explains the rules first, then the teacher present example before the student and explain them. So 1 and 2 are the stages deductive. And in inductive method, the teacher provides new example, first give an example and then ask the student to verify the rules. The teacher encourages the student to draw conclusions. So here A number is 2413. 2413. No, first will be the teacher explain the rules, then the teacher presents examples before the student and explain them. So systematically first A then 2, A then 2. Next, in deductive method, 3 and 4. So the teacher provides new examples and asks the student to verify the rules. So first 1, 2, then 3, 4. So B is the correct answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, number 3, the strategy of using minimal responses is used to A, encourage introvert student to speak in class. B, encourage extrovert student to speak less in class. C, encourage student to speak less in the public. Number D, encourage student to respond only when required. So strategy of minimal responses, A number is the correct answer. Encourage the introvert student to speak in class. Introvert means atmokendric. So A is the correct answer. Next, for which of the following are microfunctions of language? Here physiological function is a microfunctions. Then poetic is a macrofunctions, manipulates language in creative way. C, recording, this is a microfunctions. Then D, textual cohesive and coherent. These are the macro functions. So A and C is the micro functions of language, A and C. So here given option A and B option A and C A D B C. So B is the correct answer, A and C. Next question number 5. Which of the following skills are productive skills? Reading, listening, speaking, writing. So here speaking and writing are the productive answers. So C, D. That means question number C is the correct answer. C and D are the productive skill. Next, number 6. In incidental method of teaching grammar, the teacher, incidental method, that's the accidental method. A teaches through comparison with grammar of other languages. B teaches grammar in the course of teaching textbooks or composition writing. Number C explains new topics with the help of example. D teaches rules and regulations with the help of grammar textbooks. Here in incidental method of teaching grammar, the teacher teaches grammar in the course of teaching textbooks and composition writing. So B is the correct answer. Next 7. Which of the following is not a function of language according to the holiday? So according to a holiday, these are the functions: personal, imaginative, and heuristic. Only this is not. A is the correct answer. A is not a function of language according to holiday. Next question 8. What according to holiday is instrumental functions of language? Instrumental function of language. Here is the correct answer. To express the needs is the instrumental functions of language. Next question 9. When language is used by child to express his feelings, opinions, and individual identity, it is called personal, expressive, informative, representational. So here is the correct answer. When language is used by child to express his feelings, opinions, and individual identity, this is the personal. So is the correct answer. Question number 10. Match the following. Here given A, B, C, D, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So match this. Imaginative functions. So imaginative functions to tell stories and jokes. This one. Next, regulatory functions. The regulatory function B is the control the behavior of others. Regulatory functions. Next, C, representational functions. This to convey the facts and information. C is the 3. Next, D, heuristic functions acquire knowledge about environment. So this is 2. So here C is the correct answer. A4, B1, C3, D2. Next question number 11. The adjective form of tragedy is tragic, tragically, tragicing, tragicful. So the adjective of tragedy is the tragic. So A is the correct answer. Next 12. The adjective form of zeal is zealal, zealotry, zealous, zealing. So adjective form of zeal is zealous. C is the correct answer. Next 13. The antonym of comely means fair, handsome, lovely. So the antonym of this will be unattractive. B is the correct answer. Next, 14. Animals that live in a particular region are called the animals that live in a particular region are called the fauna. Is the correct answer. And 15. One who unable to pay his debt are called poor, pauper, bankrupt, indebted. So one who unable to pay his debt are called bankrupt. This is the correct answer. 16. He always quarrels with the neighbors. So here the preposition by, for, to, with. So he always quarrel with the neighbors. So this is the correct answer. 17. He was punished for being naughty, 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 naughty. So here is the B is the correct answer. Note is the correct spelling. He was punished for being naughty. Next, 18. Because of the illness, she looked so pale, pale. So, because of the illness, she looked so pale. B is the correct. P-A-L-E, pale. Next, 19. My brother holds a degree in chemistry with in for on. So here my brother holds a degree in chemistry. So B is the correct answer. Next 20. Due to the accident, he has lost his desk. Sight, this S-I-T-H-E, sight. So here, due to the accident, he has lost his sight. So this spelling is the correct. Sight, S-I-G-H-T. So B is the correct answer. So আজিলৈ ইংৰাজী বিষয়ৰ ওপৰত একেটাই আছিলে। ভিডিঅ'টো ভাল লাগিলে প্লিজ লাইক শ্বেয়াৰ এণ্ড ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব মাই চেনেল, লগতে থকা বেল আইকনটো অল কৰি দিব যাতে মোৰ আহি থকা নতুন ভিডিঅ'ৰ নটিফিকেশ্যনসমূহ অনায়াসে পাব পাৰে। আৰু টেট সম্পৰ্কীয় অইন ভিডিঅ'সমূহ চাবলৈ মোৰ ভিডিঅ'ৰ ডিছক্ৰিপশ্যনত লিংক দিয়া আছে, তাতে গৈ ক্লিক কৰিলে চাব পাৰিব।